Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in to hear my trading and market updates. This is Uncle Frank, and I'm not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the presentation, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're alerted when I have new information to share. So now let's get into the latest updates. Hey, welcome back everyone. First thing we're going to cover is this article from Markets Insider that brings joy to Uncle Frank's heart. Hedge funds continue to reel from a prolonged period of withdrawals. This year, the industry had to cope with the worst outflows for the month of May since the global financial crisis. For 12 consecutive months, hedge funds experienced net withdrawals, and in May, the industry saw its assets shrink by $18.8 billion due to a combination of investors pulling out and performance losses, according to asset management data provider eVestment. This is the biggest outflow for the month of May since 2009. Quote, even as annual net outflows began to be the norm for the industry in 2018, net flows in May were still positive more often than not. Peter Lorelli, global head of research at eVestment, wrote in a recent note. He continued, the net outflow in May 2023, while not generally large, was the largest net outflow value we've seen. The data provider attributes the trend to a lack of new investor interest in the sector. Uncle Frank believes the industry is suffering because it's constantly cheating and breaking the securities rules and laws with impunity. He also believes regulators have lost the will to investigate them because of outrageous contributions to politicians. Furthermore, it may be a bad business to illegally naked short other American companies. In my opinion, it's far easier to win when you cheat. If you start to lose, just naked short more. The regulators like Gensler aren't going to do anything about it. And even if a hedgie is caught, they will pay a small fine and then quickly resume cheating. Only in America can you be a hedge fund, a market maker, and operate a dark pool simultaneously while using payment for order flow, algos, and spoofing and layering techniques to cheat. And check out this article from CoinDesk. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink talks up crypto demand from gold investors. From the article, Larry Fink was in a bullish mood on Friday as he spoke of the increasing demand he is seeing for cryptocurrencies among gold investors. Appearing on CNBC following his company's second quarter earnings report, the CEO of the $8.5 trillion asset manager BlackRock said more and more gold investors have been asking about the role of crypto over the last 5 years, highlighting the role exchange-traded funds have had in democratizing access to gold as they could do in crypto. As I told my favorite Canadian ape, Dominic Pantaleo, gold and precious metals won't make you rich unless you're a futures trader, but they will keep you rich. Think about it. As you know, all eyes are on the Delaware Chancery Court for the AMC case decision, but it's my understanding that Judge Zern is busy with the trial until Tuesday, the 18th of next week. So my earliest target for a decision is currently Wednesday, the 19th. As far as I'm concerned, the longer the better. I'm, of course, interested to hear if she'll comment on three things. Was the creation of APE done legally? Was it legal to vote the preferred on the dilution of the common without a separate vote? And did Adam Aaron conspire to rig the vote with Antara, who is now facing a case of its own in the Southern District of New York? I want yes voters to know that if any of those things are proven true, you have no right to be mad with no voters who are your fellow apes. You should instead direct your anger at the AMC executive who made or approved those legal mistakes and ask for his resignation. I'm also hoping to see a huge weekend for the latest Mission Impossible, maybe an earnings surprise for quarter two, and now that the actors have joined the writer's strike, an expedited resolution to the strike. All right, guys, we need this story to die and stay gone. From Newsweek a couple days ago, AMC boycott calls grow over Sound of Freedom. CEO says claims are garbage. From the article, the CEO of major U.S.-based cinema chain AMC Theaters has dismissed claims that his company was stopping screenings of the film Sound of Freedom as, quote, garbage. Adam Aaron took to Twitter to shut down conspiracy theorists who called for a boycott of his company over accusations that it was blocking the film from being shown. The film is based on the story of Operation Underground Railroad, and it tells the story of the fight against child sex trafficking and attempts to stop the illicit trade. Some people have complained of broken air conditioning, canceled screenings, and technical issues when they tried to watch the movie, with some seeing those incidents as a deliberate attempt to stop people from seeing the film. From Adam, sadly, conspiracy theorists are so prevalent in America. So much garbage information is spread. More than 1 million people have watched Sound of Freedom at AMC theaters, more than at any other theater chain on the planet. Yet people falsely claim otherwise. It's so bizarre, Aaron tweeted. Angel Studios, who distributed the film, told Newsweek AMC has been wonderful to work with. Now, guys, I don't know if these accusations are true, but I'm not hearing it about any other movies. If it's proven to be true, I sincerely hope Adam Aaron or any AMC management is not directly involved. Maybe it's just woke local employees that are responsible. But if they Bud Light our company, we're going to be in a world of hurt. So let's hope this goes away and quickly. All right, another story we need to go away soon is this writer's strike. I'm sure by now you've heard that the actors have joined the writers in the strike, and I'm hoping that expedites things, and I don't think it'll have an immediate impact on movies for theaters. However, our enemies could spin it that way, and I'm growing more and more suspicious about the timing of all these things, right? Apparently, Oppenheimer premiered in London earlier this week, and we've got the actors walking out of the film, and even Oliver Stone was shocked. But in my opinion, these actors better remember how fragile the theater business is while they're out there acting like this, because if they keep it up too long, there won't be a theater to watch your movies at, dumbasses. So I'm keeping an eye on this, and I hope it goes away quickly. And finally, a high note from Forbes: Mission Impossible sequel tops 100 million worldwide today at box office. Guys, we've got to get out there, support the theater, buy some popcorn, have some candy, get a soda. Let's blow this film up so that we can have a good showing before the court decision. And a little more good news for you Mullen fans out there. From FX Street, Mullen Automotive stock forecast. Mullen recovers after electric van news. From the article, Mullen completes production of 350 Class 1 EV vans on Thursday. Mullen also announced a new delivery van pilot program with the New York Power Authority. Mullen stock gained 10.7% on Thursday. After lacking ignition at the beginning of the week, Mullen Automotive stock has made a silent comeback in the second half. The stock has been supported by positive news regarding the future of its electric delivery vans. Let's hope it continues. And an article for GameStop from July 11th. Expect an acquisition. GameStop's former CEO has essentially been replaced by large shareholder Ryan Cohen, founder of online pet retailer Chewy. Cohen could try to make a major transformative acquisition to save the company, as he has cash and an overpriced stock price to work with. They've always got to frame it in a negative way. A turnaround without an acquisition, however, seems unlikely. But what crypto is dominating the news and social media? XRP. Headline: what are the odds XRP price hits new all-time highs after Ripple win against SEC? From the article, Ripple's XRP price increased massively on July 13th, reaching a new yearly high of 0.938. This was the highest price reached since April of 2022. The XRP price increased by 100% on the 13th after a partial victory in the ongoing SEC versus Ripple legal battle. The price action in both long and short-term timeframes suggests that the trend is bullish, predicting further upside. But despite this bullish XRP price prediction, failure to break out from the 87-cent resistance area will likely lead to more downside. So where are you at on XRP, Uncle Frank? Well, you guys should know I will never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any security or cryptocurrency. Having said that, the all-time high on XRP was 384 back in early 2018. So I'm not high-fiving anyone until I see that number. This coin and its founding company, Ripple, have achieved more since then than any other coin out there, in my opinion. And I'll just give you a couple examples. I mean, guys, what other cryptocurrency out there gets these kind of headlines? From finance feeds, Ripple signs Middle East's largest bank to promote XRP utility. That was from July of 2022. And also a year ago, from payments, Ripple partners with FOMO Pay to improve treasury management. Or from September of 2022, Ripple's major partner in Latin America launches crypto remittances between Mexico and Canada. October of 2022, from CoinDesk, Ripple builds new partnership in France and Sweden despite crypto bear market. And this headline keeps Uncle Frank up at night. Brad Garlinghouse says Bank of America is a huge partner of Ripple, waiting for lawsuit to end. And from December, late last year, JP Morgan joins forces with Ripple partner in the UAE. Or how about this one? Ripple, payment corridor between US and Mexico, sees massive increase in billions of dollars using XRP tech. And here's a headline from May of this year. Already 13 African countries utilize Ripple and XRP. Report. And I don't see headlines like this for Polkadot or TacoCat. Every bank in Japan will use Ripple's XRP by 2025, says SBI CEO. Can it drive price to $5? Report. And how about this one from last month? Ripple onboarded for real-time settlement platform by Fed Reserve Bank of America. Will it propel XRP price to an all-time high? I don't know. I don't know about you, but I'm starting to sense a potential here. From investing.com, Ripple powering Indian Bank's digital rupee project. That's from last month. And this headline is from this month before the court decision from Crypto Newsflash. Ripple partners among U.S. firms piloting Fed Reserve's new FedNow service. Can it help XRP and ODL? I don't know. And also from this month and the Daily HODL, Bank of America says Ripple making waves in cross-border payments with blockchain. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.